Hello and welcome to class. Last video we talked about work and things that you're currently doing, so today I wanted to talk about future goals, things that you're working towards, places you want to travel to, work, school, other goals that you might have. I forgot about the spinning shrimp. Okay, so some examples of goals. I want to visit Machu Picchu in Peru. I want to go skiing in the Swiss mountains. I want to study abroad in the United States. Some examples of goals. Ways that we can share our goals. We don't always have to say I want to. You could say I want or I hope. That's a very simple way. I want to, and then the verb, study political science. I hope I get the promotion, getting a raise at work, getting a promotion at work. We also use the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is to be and then an ing verb. So I am, I'm majoring in education. Majoring means you're studying it in college. I'm majoring in education. I'm waiting for a manager position to open. I'm waiting for a manager position to open. So I hope to get a promotion, but I'm waiting for a manager position to open. Also a present continuous tense. It's to be and an ing verb, but it's a very common phrase, so I wanted to include it as its own category, and that's I'm going to. I'm going to buy a new car once I save up enough money, or you are going to. He is. Steve is going to buy a new car. I'm not going to. So you can say this in the negative as well. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to drink alcohol this month. That's always good. Good for your health. Now, if you noticed, all of those examples are in the present. Even though we're talking about the future and what we want to do, all of those examples are in the present tense grammatically. We can also use the future tense, and luckily the future tense is super easy in English. It's just will in front of the verb. So you have the subject, and then will, and then the verb, and then any other information you're adding to the sentence, mostly an object or another phrase. So some examples, like from the beginning, I will visit Machu Picchu in December, specifically. I will visit. I will go skiing in the Swiss Alps. Future tense implies that the plans are prepared, or that we expect them to happen. That's the big difference here, okay? So to compare some things, want to, when you're young, I want to be this when I grow up. I want to be a fireman. I want to be a chef when I grow up. That's still the present tense, want to. But will, I will, that implies that it will happen. For instance, these graduates, you see they're all wearing hard hats. They're construction management graduates, so they all will be construction managers. It's more concrete. It is the future tense, but the will tells us that it's going to happen. We expect it to happen. That's the end of class today. Thank you so much, and take care. Bye-bye.